Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today I got ACD in the building. If you have not heard of this guy, listen, don't sleep on him. He gets down on some awesome designs so far as watch faces are concerned. I'm going to leave his information in the description box down below along with the link to this watch face. With that being said, let's go ahead and kick off this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today we got ACD in the building with another bad creation. This guy always gets down. He has already raised the roof. He is doing an awesome job on designing awesome watch faces. So make sure you don't sleep on this guy. I'm going to leave his information in the description box down below along with the link to this watch face. And with that being said, let's kick off this review. Alright you all, let's get started. First off, we got a giveaway. My man was generous enough to send watch face codes to pretty much every single country there is, especially the US. So I got 9 watch face codes for the US. I got many for other countries, so you can be a winner. All I need you to do is comment in the comment section down below, and that's how you qualify to be able to have a chance to win a free awesome watch face from ACD. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. Now definitely this watch face is unique. I like the look. I'm loving the design. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same thing for the most part. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3. But when the watch face is on, I really like this, right? It looks nice. Get your battery percentage over here. And also over here, you're going to get your step status info. Now you got 10 bars over here, which represents 10%. Same thing over here for your steps, which I thought was nice. Down at the bottom, you're going to get digital time. So depending on the format that you have set on your smartphone will determine what your time is going to be. Me, I like 12 hours. You're going to get your date right up under it. You're going to get your step information down here, and then you get this dashboard look as well. The days of the week are going across the top, which I thought was very unique. It looks really awesome. And you also have a unique way to tell time. This is going to represent your hour. It kind of goes into 24 hours. And this is going to represent, of course, your minutes. And in the center, that represents, of course, your seconds. So I thought this was definitely a nice, unique look for a casual wear, whether it be the work week or whether it be a super casual weekend for you. This one is a nice one to have in your lineup. Now what I really like about this watch face that I thought was awesome is the color theme change that you can add to this watch face. Check this out. Single tap, and you can cycle through many, and I do mean many different colors to customize this watch to however you see fit. And we're just going through the bulk of it just to give you an idea as to what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome watch face. Now, tap right here, single tap, and you can change the color of the hour as well. Check it out. Not a bad look. Depending on what you have on for the day or whatever your favorite color is, you could tie this into your outfit with no problem. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Please hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button before you leave. And also, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to see you all at the next one. Take care. Enjoy your day and or your night. And I'll see you at the next one.